Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Beuchat VR Octo. So this is their kind of top of the range Octo, designed to work with their VR regulators. It's cold water rated, it's nice and light, but it's nice and tough as well. Ticks a lot of boxes. Let's see what arrives on your front doorstep. This is how it arrives in a little clear plastic bag. I'm hoping that that will eventually change to something a bit more recyclable, but minimal packaging, I guess. On the inside, you get the Octo and the little user guide, as you can imagine, and that just goes on in 100 different languages. How to sort of look after your Octo and how to use it properly. Then we get onto the VR Octo itself. So starting at the boring end, it comes with a decent sort of hose protector or thread protector on that. That's protecting that 3/8 inch screw thread. Decent hose protector on the end. That's helping to prevent the hose from just sort of bending right there against the metal section and actually damaging the hose, and it just protects it, but just pull it to one side every now and then, make sure it's clean underneath. The hose itself, so this is a very light braided hose, so very flexible, much more lighter than the traditional rubber hoses. And then we get down to the actual second stage itself. So it has a little plastic bag over the mouthpiece for cleanliness with a rubber band. Okay, so as soon as the gas comes into the second stage, it's met by this huge heat sink. So this is cold water rated. You can use this in really cold waters, and these fins here, these are helping that valve on the inside to basically absorb heat from the surrounding water, even when it's very, very cold. As the gas comes through, the gas is going to make it, all the metal parts around that valve, colder. So these heat sinks help to absorb heat from the surrounding water to help prevent it from freezing. On the front cover, decent sized purge button, and this is sort of semi-rigid. It feels like there's a bit of a plate underneath that, but it is flexible under there. So even if you've got clunky gloves on, you'll still be able to purge that quite easily, but it's not going to purge just by like touching things. And then your Octo's ending up free flowing. There's like a very positive action where you have to push the button to be able to activate it. Main body is a plastic material, so it's quite lightweight as well. All in all, I think it weighs just over 300 grams. Venturi switch, adjustable Venturi. Perfect, that's all you really want on an Octo. That's going to interrupt the free flows by redirecting airflow on the inside. So as airflow starts to increase when it's going into a free flow, it actually redirects the airflow back towards the front and kind of interrupts the free flow before it forms, basically. But then when you actually need to use the alternate, you can flip it and then you get a better airflow on the inside, but of course it's not going to free flow when it's in your mouth. Pretty traditional mouthpiece on that, nothing overly fancy, decent silicone mouthpiece, and quite compact little exhaust tee, and it doesn't have complete vents through there that you see on a lot of second stage designs. These are just small little thin veins that help to sort of redirect those bubbles around behind you. But as an alternate air source, as an Octo, decent yellow coloring so you can see it, but it's not too garish. The whole thing isn't completely yellow, and it's not that kind of day glow yellow. It's just a traditional like banana yellow, but otherwise, as far as an Octo goes, yeah, ticks all of the boxes. And that's the Beuchat VR Octo. Very simple Octo. Does everything that you need it to be, very reliable, but lightweight and functional. It's got everything that you need to in an Octo, whether you're diving in warmer climates or colder climates. Definitely worth checking out to pair with your Beuchat regulators. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There'll be a link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us at simplyscuba.com. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.